Does it have all smell?
Does it?
It does. It's sweet. Yeah, you just get like real patient. Just blueberry. There's one blueberry. Michigan's just like Washington's the apple tree capital. Michigan's blueberry.
Well, and cherry, too.
Cherry, yeah. Northern Michigan. I know. You're going to take your life into your hands and pass when an oncoming car is like, maybe they're a little shook up from that.
Well, I hope so.
A little gunshot.
I wouldn't do that ever.
One time in North Carolina. Oh, it was so scary. My dad was driving. We were on, some road behind a bus, and like a Greyhound bus, and we could pass, but there's lots of switchbacks, and so at one point you pass, and then once the switchback, you can't see what's coming. Anyway, he gets around this bus, and then it's like it's not one bus, it's 3 buses.
Oh my god.
And then the switch starts happening. It's like, oh no! And so he floored it with me, my mom, or my stepmom, and Lindsay, and he just had to floor it. It felt like we were going 110 miles an hour, and then we see the oncoming traffic coming, and he's trying to get past these 3 buses, and it was just horrifying. It felt like we got in right when oncoming traffic passed us. They still make me nervous. He's still looking
Maybe he has like a pregnant woman about to give birth in there or something.
He's going the wrong way, though. There's nothing out here.
I'd be calling the cops to get somebody to clear the road for me.
Yeah. Trees.
Okay. Maybe so. Yeah. Is that our other guy?
I think
still
that
way up
car is still behind that truck in front of that red one right there.
there? Oh, I'm trapped.
There's too many cars in front to be able to pass. All that does.
Yeah.
We made it to South Haven. It is our second day, and we are going to the Catholic Church because Aunt Donna wants to go for Mass tonight at 5 before we're going to taste for dinner. Hopefully the waiter that looks like Callum still works there, and he is our waiter. I'm planning to sit on the beach and read Game of Thrones for a while. I got this new shirt, if you can see. It is blue. It is made out of bamboo, apparently, and this is Mom's headband buff thing that she bought, and I want to get one for myself. Yeah, it's really nice. We've seen a lot of cute dogs, which I am all about. And saw Grammy, and it was a good visit. She wasn't angry or anything. Had some rhubarb cobbler. Yeah, that's it. I've been sent on a mission to get a rake from the Family Dollar, which is near our house, but actually is a little bit of a walk. So here I go across the liquor store, and then hopefully to get a rake. We'll see how it goes. Picturesque, very picturesque. Somebody hasn't been weeding. Oh my god. Pretty flowers back there. Family Dollar. When you have arrived. When your plan is foiled. Questionable. Why are they not advertising for the same thing on both sides? Question mark. Oh my god, the biggest douchebag I've ever seen just walked out of a car. Seems like a normal kitchen. Oh wait, what's that? Oh, well that's different. Poser George.
Liberal hose, like you walk into a car randomly in a parking lot and it's got like.
Oh, I saw that, and they break the window. Right.
Oh, there's your dog line.
I'm saying they didn't even look at
He didn't
us.
even fucking walk by. Yeah, he didn't even know what was going on.
He just didn't even care.
Literally pointed.
Hey, this is the party boat from last time.
Weird looking dogs. I think those dogs actually look pretty cool.
I think they do too.
It's pretty weird.
So we could just sit and watch the sunset.
Right. God only knows. They probably apocalypse plugged out from those first part. Was that another prequel?
That was their.
The water looks cold. I can feel it. Is it Insta Snap?
Nope. It's for my vlog.
I think these flags are new.
That fish. Look at that fish just floating there. Oh, they're so cute. Wow, they're making time. Oh, there's more.
Howard. Followed me here from
Was that the name of the whale or of the man? Something you haven't read and you are uneducated about.
Moby Dick is the whale.
Oh, is it? I've never read it either.
I don't know. Now you got Moby Dick.
We're gonna have to ask someone.
You have to ask him. It's like that. Oh, we're in the way of the pole. Oh, okay. That's a big net. I think it was. Okay,
Oh, here it comes. Wait. What's he trailing?
he's just seeing if he's going to catch anything. Oh, yeah.
I'm confused.
Oh, yeah, the Zodiac, yeah. That's all I need.
I'll take some high island.
We need to ask him what he's doing. Has he caught something or? Well, now we know.
Look at the beautiful sky.
I know, that's what I was talking about.
It's like it's
Oh my gosh, those people are trying to paddleboard out here.
Oh my goodness. Amazing.
Run, Forrest. Mm-hmm. I gotta get some of these flowers over here. Oh, I know. Right along, telling people not to go over there. Okay. Almost sunset at South Haven. Beauty. Where we are. Oh, it's so nice. These hedges. We've seen all sorts of cute dogs, cute babies. Oh man. Yeah, she's headed for the bench. She's making time.
And that's why like South Haven was so, wonderful. He introduced my mom to it when they met, and then us. But yeah, it's too bad. And then he had old pictures of it, and of his uncle and Aunt Maud who lived there. Yeah, it wasn't great. It was his aunt and uncle, and his uncle was the postman. So when we were here last summer, I brought the old pictures to the woman because it used to be cedar shade. I knocked on her door and I was like, I wanted to just show you these pictures of your house, like back in what? Yeah. And she said they moved there when she was really young, and she remembered the shutters. They had the old shutters on it, and she said I actually saved one of the shutters. It's down in the basement. She made copies of the pictures. Her mom lived there, and then she got Alzheimer's, and she moved in to help take care of her mom.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
He flew right about into you
Yeah,
guys,
I
didn't he?
did. I think we scared him.
Right here.
That was really
I wasn't
weird.
expecting anybody standing here.
Oh,
Red-winged
He's a
blackbird.
red-winged blackbird.
that has never happened to me before. Oh.
He's gonna go up there now.
She said though her children can't afford to inherit it because they can't afford to
Take a video of the dog. See, I don't always know about painted brick, but I really love that house. The green is just great. That's
The house next door, the bottom part's painted and tan.
yeah, that's not a cute color though. See that? Oh, that's not what I wanted to do.
It's like, look what happened. Now who's that? Liza falling, got knocked out. She's sleeping on the couch.
Am I? Come on, Gilman. Where's your hat?
I'm here.
Oh,
6:30, 7 o'clock.
true.
Sun
The real question is, where is your Gil shirt?
Oh.
Yes, you're right. You're so good.
They're not barking that bad.
I know. Well, he looks like no dog. Do they still do the Cannonball, Mom?
I don't know. I guess not. He's way out there. We haven't heard
That's exciting.
He's going to the cloud.
I guess so.
He's gonna.
So it's 8:50.
Oh, okay.
8:59.
Yeah, I'm feeling the bugs too. That was so weird, that bird.
You should get up there, like, let me take your picture and look like you're being strangled by the tree.
Oh, that is so weird.
They got that big thing in the back. They might be. But you surely can't put that many cars in with different people trying to get out of the
I know. Very good book. They made a movie out of it.
Gosh.
Really?
I'm so tired.
Well, that's good actually, Liza.
No, it doesn't. I look like someone's mom character from a cartoon.
Look like a nun or something.
I don't know.
Saint Teresa of Avila.
Okay, pause it.
Saint Teresa of Avila.
Who?
EVILA.
Sure. Do that again.
No. you
Yes.
didn't hit me.
I'm not gonna hit you. God, is it coming from the other side? Yeah. That's terrifying. Oh my god. That's scary.